Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. First of all, excuse the makeup. I do have glitter and lots of makeup on. I am getting ready to go to work to do a show, so I figured I would put my makeup on for work and then film, so that's why it is a bit much today. Anyways, today is kind of a multi-store haul. I went to Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's, and I just wanted to share what I purchased with you. I have an upcoming project that I have not yet revealed. I will soon, so some stuff is for that. And then I went to the Dollar Tree because I wanted to pick up some stuff for a friend of mine to send to her, and I picked up a few other goodies as well. So before we get into the video today, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you're definitely in the right place. And as always, I'll have relevant videos and playlists linked down below in the description box. That way you can binge watch more content like this. And before we got into the video too, I just wanted to thank everybody. I know I've got a bunch of new Dollar Divas. Yesterday was a really big day. I had like my biggest video kind of to date, like in a 24-hour period where the video got pushed and got more views than I've ever gotten like in a day, and I got more Dollar Divas in one day than I've ever have. So it's been yesterday was a really big day. I have not responded yet to all the comments, but thank you all so much for the support and continued support. So I did want to say a special hello to all my new subscribers, my new Dollar Divas. And so yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video as well. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So first I'm going to share what I got at Joann's. I think I literally just got two things, but I've got this big giant bag right here. So again, this is part of a project. I've got a couple sewing projects I need to do. So I bought 1 yard of, I basically needed like a white pleather or like a vinyl type of a material. So it's a lot. It's actually pretty heavy, but it's a whole yard. It was $19.99. I do get a lot of coupons for Joann's. I have their app on my phone and they always have coupons. So if you go to Joann's and you don't know about their app, definitely check out their app because they do have lots of coupons, and I can almost always use one to get a bunch of money off like my purchase or like one item or something like that. So this was $19.99 a yard. So I just paid $19.99 for a yard of this. And like I said, it's actually, and this is actually like a marine vinyl, which means I guess it's kind of like waterproof. When I was still doing the magic show, we used to have a water trick, and we use this for something having to do with that because it stood up to the water and it was nice and sturdy. So this is part of my new project that I'm doing, which I will reveal soon. So I got that. And then just one of the many embellishments that I need, and I didn't realize I actually needed them until I saw them in the store, and then I looked at some pictures and I was like, oh, I'm gonna need some like studs. So this is a 50 piece of like just little pointed studs, and the best I can tell, you put the prongs through and then you just kind of bend them in. So I'm anticipating this being fairly easy. They are gonna have to go through this vinyl, so I might need to use a hammer or something. I don't know. I'm making this up as I go along. But yeah, so I just picked up some of these metal studs. And of course, I always look at Dollar Tree at their craft section to see if there's anything that I can use for a particular project. This particular project, I do have one thing that I might be able to use. I don't know. I'm just gonna, like I said, some of this is just one big giant experiment. But a lot of stuff I'm also gonna get on like Amazon and stuff too. So these are just things that I saw in the craft stores and was like, I'll get them here, you know? So now for my Hobby Lobby trip. Again, like I said, this is just another experiment having to do with that project that I have. It's a self-adhesive vinyl. I got black, and it's just, so I guess it's got like a removable back. I've never used this kind of stuff before. It was in like the scrapbooking area. And so yeah, I'm gonna see if this doesn't work for something that I'm trying to do, which I will let you know soon. And I also have an item at the Dollar Tree that I'm gonna try as well. So I have a couple different options. I also have something coming from a purchase online to use in conjunction with that. So we will see. So then two more things from Hobby Lobby, and then I will show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree. Got some double-sided tape. Again, I think this may be a good way to attach some stuff. Not really sure, but I get some double-sided tape. And I picked up these magnets. These are gonna be like a closure, a way of fastening what I need to fasten when I tell you what I'm doing soon. This is the brand Imagination Station. They were only $2.99, and I got some money off at Hobby Lobby. The lady ran some coupons that was checking me out. This is an 8-piece of these ceramic magnets. They're black and they're round. There's 4 sets, and they're pretty heavy duty. They had some smaller sizes, so pick those up. I think they will work like a charm. Now for the Dollar Tree stuff. I picked up a few items at the Dollar Tree. Actually, in a good majority are these brush cases here that you saw in my last haul. I have a dear friend here on YouTube. You've heard her name a million times because I talk about her often. We've done a couple collabs. Her name's Gigi. I'm sending these to her because she cannot find them at her Dollar Tree. So this is a gift to her. She was so sweet. She's one of like my best friends here on YouTube. And last year she sent me a Modern Renaissance palette, and it was just so sweet of her. She's just been a huge support, really good friend. So I hauled 2 of these lighter pink ones the other day, and if you're not familiar, they're just like these little makeup cases for like makeup brushes, and they're super cute. They're by the brand Sassy Chic, and they all say, "You're like really pretty." So I bought her 4 of each color. I wish they had purple because purple's her favorite color, but they did not. So I got 4 of the light pink, I got 4 of the kind of the hot pink, and then I got 4 of like the blue. So I'm sending these to her tomorrow as a gift for a venture that she is getting ready to go on and her next chapter. So I'm super proud of her and very happy to be able to do anything at all nice and help someone that I really love and care about. So yeah, I got her some of those. Then I just happened to walk by the baby aisle and I picked up some more of this Sesame Street baby shampoo. This is a staple for all of my synthetic hair pieces, and of course you can wash makeup brushes with this, so it's a staple. I wasn't sure how much I had, but I really kind of liked this cap better than like the other one, the yellow one that you just push down. It gets all crusty on me. Maybe this one will do a little bit better, but I love this baby shampoo. You know, you can't beat it. Can't beat it for $1.25, so I always have it on hand for my synthetic hair pieces. Then I bought that little thin piece of vinyl from Hobby Lobby, and I also bought this from Dollar Tree. This and it's just like a black vinyl. I see these all the time, like in all different colors, but like I'm not a big crafter, so I like never know what they're for. I mean, they're for crafts. So between this and this, I don't know what's gonna work better, but I figured I would try both. And for $1.25, you definitely can't beat it. And then this stuff here I bought for a future giveaway. So none of this is for me. One of my Dollar Divas, Tina Short, you hear me mention her all the time. She sent me some goodies a while back, and it was actually this brush set. But these have different handles, and I really like them. They're just really nice little detailing brushes. So it's this 4-piece eye brush set, and this design here is so pretty. It's like blue and purple flowers. I've even seen where they're like pink, but just a really nice little detailing brush set. And it's hard to find brushes that are little like that, so like I said, that's going to be in a future giveaway. And then I bought this. I see these all the time from Be Pure. This is the Jade Gusha massager, and apparently it's supposed to tone your skin. So it's this like little stone that you're supposed to kind of like a jade roller does. And even though I don't particularly, I can never quite stick with products like this, I thought it would be really lovely in a giveaway, so I got that as well. And then you've seen these on my channel before, and they're really good quality, you guys. They're from the spring makeup line that Ellie Colors came out with earlier in the year, and they still have them at my Dollar Tree. And they're these 3 eyeshadow duos. They have one that's like gold and green as well, and I have one of those, but they had the 3 kind of more neutral shades, so I picked up one of each for a future giveaway. They're really super duper quality, you guys, seriously. Then I picked up one of these as well for a giveaway. This is the LA Colors Jelly Lip Gloss. It says it's a moisturizing sheer lip gloss, and this is in the shade Syrup, I guess. It was actually like the only one that they had left, so I picked it up. Then the last item is also like the last one that they had at this Dollar Tree, and they've had these items kind of hanging around for a while. This is and I've got, I think, just about every shade of these. This is the LA Colors Cream Gel Blush, and this is in the shade Tainted Love. So like I said, these items here, I just wanted to kind of swipe them up while I could for a future giveaway. So I'll have some relevant content up here on the screen. If you enjoy videos like this, definitely go check those out. Again, thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you to all my new Dollar Divas for joining me. I appreciate it so very much, and like I said, yesterday was just a very exciting day. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.